a short video on a quick way to save hard drive space on your computer. So what you want to do is go down to your search bar at the bottom and search for storage. And you'll see a setting called storage settings. And here you'll get a breakdown of the storage on your computer, on your hard drive. And one of the options here is temporary files. So if you click on temporary files, a lot of times I don't really have anything in here because I've already cleared out my temporary files, but a lot of times you'll see a lot of data here that you can clear out. There's sometimes a lot of downloads that you don't need anymore, temporary files, old logs on your computer that you don't need anymore. And if you go up here and you hit remove files, it'll purge all those files. And then once that's done, you can minimize that, go over to your recycling bin and right click that, hit empty recycling bin, and then it'll permanently delete those items. And then that should clear out some much needed space. I hope this helps, and thank you for watching.